Hi, my name is Trey Du. I'm a support engineer here at E1 Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up global variables in SmartConnect.com. Once you are in SmartConnect.com on this dashboard, you can navigate over to Maintenance and then find the Global Variables tab. Once in here, you'll see all the global variables that you've already set up, and then you have a couple of options of what you can do with them. You can either delete global variables, you can edit them, or you can delete them individually by clicking on these. Some of them won't have a delete option, like this one. This is one that we create for you and that you can't remove. Once in here, you can create new global variables if you want to add more of them that you want to use maybe specifically in specific integrations. So by doing that, you can just click this button, it'll create a new one. It'll start you off with the GBL underscore, which you can't change. You can't backspace it or anything. Well, you can, but it won't let you create a new one. Once you're in here though, but we'll just give it a name. Let's call this test for vid. So once you give it your global variable a name, you can either give it a value or you can not give it a value, but let's give it a value here. Let's just call it test for vid. You can give it a string, you can give it a number, you can give it any combination of that, and you can either make it secure or insecure, which basically just obscures that value right there. So click save, and it is as simple as that to create a new global variable. And then if you want to see how you can actually use this, you can just open up a new integration. I'll just use this one I have right here. Go into integration, go to additional columns, and then you can go to a calculation under type, and then you can find the global variable here. I called it test for vid, and it is right there. So if I did run this, the value here would be test for vid. I believe I made it. So if I want to do like a fun calculation, I can just do if this equals test for vid. I can do like a return statement or something. Return false or else, return true. And you can just do some simple logic or anything based off of this variable, and then you can use it in multiple places. You can also map it if you would like here by going into here, global rolling column. Or you don't actually map it here, but you can use that calculation and then map the global variable, and then you can map the calculation to this. So that's how you can use that global variable in like an actual mapping as well. And then also in restrictions, anywhere you would want to use scripting, basically global variables are going to be available to you. So that is all you'll need to know about setting up a global variable in SmartConnect.com. Thanks.